Hello everyone, and welcome to the lecture on assertions. Assertion is a sanity check that makes sure that our code is not doing something wrong. It's just another kind of exception. Let's see what an assertion is by building a function. We'll run a program that will simulate traffic lights. So let's say we want to switch the traffic lights from one color to another, right? To the next. So if the light is green, we'll change it to yellow. If the traffic light is yellow, we'll change it to red. And if the traffic light is red, we'll change it to green. Let's write a function that will do that for us. Okay? Let's say I'm in a certain place with the following traffic light. So I'll pass in a dictionary key and value. So the north-south traffic is green, and the east-west traffic light is red. Let's have our function now. I have my def statement, switch lights, switch lights, and then it takes in one parameter or argument, intersection. Okay, so I can say for key in intersection dot keys, if intersection at the given key is green, so if the traffic light is green, change it to yellow. Intersection, change the light to yellow. Okay? Elif intersection key is yellow, change that to intersection key is equal to red. Elif intersection key is red, change it to green. It's equal to red, change that light to green. Intersection key is equal to green. So this should be only one equal. Okay, let's see what we did. I have a function here, switch lights, and it takes in one parameter or argument. So for key in intersection dot keys, so I have a marketplace. So for the first key, take the key, in this case green, and if that intersection key value is equal to green, change that intersection key to yellow. So when we run our code, this green should change to yellow, right? Since that's the next light after green. Else if the intersection key value is yellow, change the intersection key value to red. So if the traffic light is yellow, change it to the next light, which is red. Similarly, if the intersection key value, if it's red, change the value to the next light, which is green. Okay. Change it to green. Now let's call our function. So switch lights, and then I'll pass a parameter of intersection. Let's pass marketplace, which is what we defined here. Okay. And let's print the result. marketplace. So before it switches, I'll print it, and then after it switches, I'll print the result. Marketplace. Okay. Let's run that and run it. So initially, the traffic light at the marketplace was, so the east-west was red and the north-south light was green initially. And then this function is run, it's called, and after that it changed red to green, right? That's what we have here. If it's red, change it to green, and then green is changed to yellow. So we got green and yellow. But there's one problem with this. This is because both lights cannot be going. So if the light is green, that means vehicles are moving on the east-west light and also on the north-south. So traffic is going in both directions. This shouldn't happen, right? So this shouldn't be happening, because if we have this is a bug in our code. This is an error. If we run a simulator, traffic will be going in both directions. So I can include an assertion to prevent this before happening, or it will give me an alert if this happens earlier in the program, so that it can be fixed, right? So to include an assertion, we use the assert statement. I can say assert, let's say red in my intersection.values, right? Red in intersection.values. I can say neither traffic light is red. Then I can add plus the intersection, and I need to convert that to string, str. Okay, let's see what I will get now. So run it. Here I got an assertion error. It says neither traffic light is red, and then east-west, north-south. So this is the use of assertion. You see here, we got an assertion error. Since we included that assertion error, now we can go back and fix our code before proceeding further into our program. Great. So in summary, we looked at how we can include raise exception in our code and how we can save those exceptions in a text file, and we also looked at how we can use assertions in checking if there is anything wrong with our code. And assertions are programmer errors, not user errors. User errors should raise exceptions. Great. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you at the next lecture.